Nothing. Yeah, they're looking over here. There's a bull right there looking at me. There's a small bull looking at me right there.
Let me see.
See him?
Where?
Right there, the one right in the middle.
Oh, he's a other one.
It's a little bull.
Slide it like this. It seems like.
Animal's looking.
Is he?
You got him all riled up now.
Oh, the bull.
Watch, come behind me, hon. You can see him. Good.
What's that on the road?
A beer.
A what?
A thing of beer.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
See him?
Yeah. Here, there's a mosquito, hon.
That's the stage you can
Fly.
hold it.
That's it.
Get that mosquito.
Which one?
Look, it's on top of the camera.
It's not a mosquito, it's a fly.
Oh. Look, it's a big fat mosquito. Or something down?
No, they're all standing.
Oh my gosh. Scary.
They're all bunched up. There's no way you could count them now.
Yeah, but they're long.
Oh yeah, they're stretched out way far.
They just went a little ways?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, they're all eating.
When the first time you bugled, they all turned up.
Oh, put on your flashers.
Oh my God. I don't want to get run over.
Are they on?
That car's coming all slow. I wonder if they saw him.
Oh, there's one behind us.
What?
A car.
Yeah, but that car's like stopped. I wonder if they saw him too.
They're coming this way.
Are they?
What are?
It looks like they're traveling in this direction. I guess if you didn't know they were there, you'd just think that they were cows.
Heck no, cows don't stay bunched like that.
This car's truck's wondering what you're looking at it. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh look, he's seen it. Oh, he's got binoculars.
He got the camera.
Oh, does he?
Yeah. You have a bugle?
It's under his truck. Pipes.
Yeah, I think that's a smart guy.
Get some good pictures.